back.
Dude, I flushed that and that kind of turned red for a second. Or whatever.
Yeah. What the fuck's wrong with your water? Look, come here, look. Fucking turn your fucking shower on.
That one's fine.
Huh?
Turn your
Oh,
fucking
we'll take-
shower on. It's fucked up.
No, it's headed towards that way because I don't want to spray up the door. Well, I can't turn it on if you're in there.
Your fucking shower.
What's that stuff?
Mud and everything.
No, what's the blood?
I don't know, that's what we want. Turn your fucking shower on and wash the fuck off.
That wasn't in there.
Well, turn your fucking shower on and wash the fuck out.
Holy shit.
No, I'm getting
I
tired
seen
of
that
this shit.
thing.
Turn your fucking shower on to wash the fuck out. It's
If
gross.
I wash it out, how am I going to
Just
show
turn
it to
on and wash
anybody?
out. It's gross.
Someone's been in here again. Whoa! What?
Holy fuck, Mom.
That's Kool-Aid.
You've been pranked by Mighty and Brett Inc.
Bruh, you just fucking had to fucking do that.
Guess what? Guess where it's going? It's going on YouTube. Say hi.
Fuck you. I think that's fucking you.
Fuck the hell.
Yeah, now I have to clean
That's
it. How
Mighty
am I
and Brett
supposed to
production right
Yes,
there.
sir. Make it happen, Captain. Yeah, awesome.
Oh shit.
Brett, that stuff
Get
stains.
close up.
Yeah.
Brett,
Blood residue.
that shit stains.
Uh-oh, better
Watch out,
cook.
we